Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy A20s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset on your phone Samsung Galaxy A20s. First of all, switch off your phone. This is power button. Just long press this power button and click on power off. Again click on power off and wait few seconds. The phone will be switched off. Just wait. Then you got to use power button and volume up button. Power button is on right side, volume up button on left side. Just press the two buttons together. Press these two buttons together for about 1 to 8 seconds. Just press and hold these two buttons until hard reset menu has come. Just wait. Yes, it has come, and release the buttons. Now you have to select fifth option. For selecting, just use volume keys. Press volume down key to move down. And keep on fifth option, wipe data factory reset and confirm with power key. Click yes, yes. Now you have to select first option, reboot system now. Yes, hard reset is completed and you got to set your phone like a fresh one. Setting will be working now. Setting will be started and you got to set everything from the scratch. So whatever information is there, just follow it. Click here and click on next. Click next here, and here you can select any wireless option, otherwise you can skip this. But here itself I selected wireless, that is I turn on my Wi-Fi and click password and click connect. To be connected, just wait, and here just you can skip the step. Now checking all info, and here you can sign in into Google accounts, otherwise skip it. You can set it later. Here accept terms and conditions from Google. Click on not now. Click on skip anyway. Click OK. Add in the finishing touches. Just wait. Get recommended apps. Click finish. Click skip. And click on finish finally. Click on done. Click continue. Click next. And click on install. Otherwise, go to home screen. Click finish here. And yes, setup is completed and you can use your phone now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.